Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage Google passwords on Honor 200 Lite. First, go to Settings to manage Google passwords, then go to Google. Press on All Services, Autofill, then tap on Autofill with Google, and now go to Google Password Manager. Here are your saved passwords. You can either review one of them, just click on it, then enter your screen log. You can click here to use your password or touch fingerprint sensor. I'm gonna use fingerprint sensor, and here is my account data. Here is my login, and this is my password. I can view it by pressing on the eye icon here. I can also edit or delete this password. I can also go back and press on Add Password. Here I can select a site or an app. Let's select an app. For example, TikTok. And now enter the username that you use for this app. And enter a password. This will save your password and you will be able to log into TikTok without remembering your password. Just press on save. Now it's saved. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.